Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. We will learn how to connect a NeoPixel Strip 10 with Arduino. So let us begin. So for this, we need one Arduino, one NeoPixel Strip having 10 NeoPixels, and a few connecting wires. Now let us see how to connect the circuit. So first of all, we'll connect this in pin of this NeoPixel Strip to this 5 number pin of this Arduino. After it, we will connect this 5 volt power pin of this NeoPixel Strip to this 5 volt power supply of this Arduino. We'll connect the GND pin of this NeoPixel Strip to this GND pin of this Arduino. So in this way, our NeoPixel Strip having 10 NeoPixels is connected to our Arduino Uno. Now let us see our code. So this is our code over here. First of all, we have included one header file, the library of the NeoPixel to operate this NeoPixel using Arduino. Now, after it, we have used two variables. First is the pin that we have initialized it to 5. This is the 5 pin number of this Arduino to which this strip is connected. And the D to 10. This D is the number of total NeoPixels in the strip. Now, in the strip function, what we are doing is we are giving it 3 parameters. First is the T, that is the total number of NeoPixels in the strip. The second one is the P number of this Arduino to which the strip is connected. And the third one is the new underscore GRB that represents the green, red and blue color code. And this new frequency that is 800 kilohertz. Now in this void setup function, we are beginning the strip. Now in the void loop function, we have used three variables, C1, C2 and C3, which represents the color codes. This is the random function which will run from 0 to 255. And over here, as you can see, we have used a for loop which will run from 0 to 9. The value of the t is 10 and w less than 10 will be 9. So from 0 to 9 it will run, and using this dot set pixel color, we are setting the pixel color, and this show function is used to show the color. This is our delay function that takes time in milliseconds. Over here it is 50 milliseconds. And now if w is equal to t, means when the NeoPixel number will reach up to 10, again we will initialize it to 0. Now in this way it will work. Now let us see how actually it will look like. So for it, I'm clicking on start simulation. As you can see, different color codes are generated using this random function. And in this way, our new strip having 10 NeoPixels looks so amazing.